Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we're going to be looking at young bands dreadlocks. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below who you guys want to see next on the channel. You guys have been requesting every single video that I've been doing lately, and I want you guys to keep recommending them, so please comment down below. Now, before we look at young bands dreadlocks, make sure to go and follow Dreadlocks on Instagram and tag Dreadlocks if you want to be featured on the page, the channel, or even the website, which leads me onto the website, but I'll talk more about that later on in the video. Now, without further ado, let's check out young band's dreads. So let's break his hair down by starting out with his hair type. His hair type is most likely a 4A, and what's really weird is it looks like he cut his dreadlocks, but then in most recent photos, it looks like he has dreadlocks. So I don't really keep updated with him, but you guys can comment down below and bring clarity. Did he cut his dreadlocks or did he not cut them? Did he cut them and reattach them? We've seen this with Young Thug, we've seen this with Smoke Perp, we've seen this with Lil Pump. We've seen so many people actually cut their dreadlocks and then reinstall them, and it's kind of just a thing that people do nowadays. And I'm sure people have been doing it for years. But in some of these photos on his Instagram, he does have short hair, and his hair is easy to tell the texture because it is short. So he does have probably about a 4A, maybe a 4B hair type. It's hard to tell because his hair is bleached. And if you bleach your hair, you will sometimes lose the tightness of your curl pattern. So he could actually be a 4B, maybe even a 4C. But with this, a 4A. Now, I've noticed his dreadlocks actually look in two different ways: when he had his hair bleached and almost platinum blonde, and his hair looked like he would do twisting with gel and then two-strand twists or maybe braids just to get that curling look. And one of his famous hairstyles that he wears is like a double bun back with some bangs hanging down. But I noticed that his hair looks different when his hair is dyed red versus when his hair is bleached or dyed blonde. And I think they look different because one is a set of after he cut his dreads and reinstalled them, and the other look is his original set of dreadlocks. But regardless whether he cut his dreadlocks and reinstalled them or has dreadlock extensions or whatever, I believe the way that he started his dreadlocks was twisting with gel. And some of the ways that he gets his hair curly is doing a two-strand twist, or like I said, doing braiding. And I've seen a few photos on here with him having the double braids back. Now, considering that he's done twisting with gel, I would recommend a locking gel that would be perfect for all you guys, and that is the Jamaican Mango and Lime Locking Gel. I used it personally, and thousands of hundreds of thousands of other people are actually using this product, and I definitely give it 5 stars. But you guys can click the link at the top of the description and find yourself some locking gel. And if you want to check out any other dreadlock products, you can go to greatlocks.com, which will be linked down below as well. And Dreadlocks is a website to where you can find every single thing that you need in order to start and maintain and finish your dreadlocks. So you can go on there not only to find your products, but to find videos and tutorials on how to use these products. And Dreadlocks is really just a community, especially on the Instagram page. That's why I told you guys to go follow it, check it out, because it's literally a community, it's a family, and we're definitely growing. If I'm not mistaken, I believe we just hit 12,000 followers, so that's really cool. And I don't really look at you guys as followers, I look at it as a community and a family, like I said. But like I did mention earlier on in the video, make sure to follow Dreadlocks and tag us, because you can be featured on the page, the website, and even the channel. But you guys, that's basically it with young bands dreadlocks. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget, like I said at the beginning, comment down below who you guys want to see next, because I'm taking all your recommendations into consideration and I'm making videos on them. So leave those comments down below, and please, if you guys are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated with everybody's dreadlocks, and you might even find yourself on one of these videos, so please subscribe. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.